Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Look at my nails. Aren't they amazing? I got fancy nails, ladies and gents. Fancy nails. Anyway, subscribe, ring the bell, leave me a message. Tell me what you think of my nails. Rawr, rawr. I'm a wild one. Today we are unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag. And it is in a fetching little pouch. This is just very adorable. It's like a nice little houndstooth plaid. Very cool. The ladies and gentlemen love a little plaid. It's kind of spring. It could actually go into the fall also, but it's very, very nice. And there's a bunch of stuff in here. Would you like to know what I have in my glam bag? Let's start with this. Makeup remover. Aqua Resist graphic pen. It's a mini eyeliner. And as you know, I love eyeliner. I love eyeliner. I love eyeliner. And it's just a wee bit of eyeliner, perfect for the purse or a little makeup bag. I'm not going to open it because why start the clock on it? And it is in number 1, which is black, and it is waterproof eyeliner, and it's intense. Intense. Watch out. Next up we have from, who is it from? It's a calming toner, calming petal toner. It's very nice. Who is it from? Let me put my spectacles on. Maybe I can read between the lines, so to speak. It is from, it says after cleansing, put some on a cotton pad and gently swipe your face. This, I don't know who it's from. It doesn't tell me, but it's a petal calming toner. Cool. Then we have from I Am Beautiful, from Real Her, Length Volume Mascara. So we've got a little mini, it's sealed, so I'm not going to bother opening it because I don't want to break one of my fancy nails on this. This is going to be great for someone who's trying to make a little mini look with eyeliner mascara. Sometimes just like a little eyeliner, a little mascara, a little lipstick, and you're good to go. Next we have from the new company, Super Thick Scalp Serum for Hair Density. And this is probably enough for one use, maybe 2. And it says, apply to scalp, gently massage to help stimulate circulation. Leave on for 20 minutes and then wash hair as usual. Huh. I could use some high density. Very nice. And then I chose this one, and it's smushed all to hell. But it's from Grown Alchemist, who I love. It's a hand cream, and it is in, might as well take it out of this box. It is in vanilla and orange peel, which I think sounds amazing. Let's throw away that box. So everything's kind of little in black. Little black things in my bag, and then this toner. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed, so let's pop it open. And you know, this is $13 and I get all these cool samples. Sometimes we get full-size items. Today is not the day. And it's very nice looking hand cream. Very nice. Oh, it smells just like I peeled an orange. Very cool. So for $13, I got mostly mini stuff, but a lot of times we get full-size items. So I got the hand cream, I got the scalp stimulator, I got the mascara, I got the eyeliner, and the toner. And that is all we have today in my glam bag. I hope that you have a great day or day of choice. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you real soon.